Hi friends, this is Rajneesh again with my brand new video in the series Excellence in Execution. So we have seen till now that there is definitely a problem in the programs, and thereby it's a problem for the program managers and the team which is executing that program. Looking for the various reasons which could lead to a program in crisis, the first one was strategy, and strategy also had different kind of aspects, out of which we looked at the methodology and then we looked at the geography that could be very important in deciding a strategy for a program. So here we are. Today we are going to look at the other aspect, which is technology. Technology definitely has got a lot of impact on the program to be executed. It defines the main backbone of the program to be executed in order to deliver what client is expecting out of it. So can technology be actually a problem in the program? Well, absolutely. If technology is not thought through well, it can also lead to major issues in execution of a program and push the program into crisis. Imagine whether you are going to fry or bake the dough. It's like that. If you are going to fry, you get something fry, and if you bake, you will get something which is baked like cake or pastries or something like that. Technology is akin to that. Whatever you would be executing on the program, the results would be according to that. The various aspects of a technology to be considered for a particular program is its usage, is proof of concepts that you have done or you would be doing, resilience of the technology, maturity of the technology, scalability of the technology, performance of the technology. All these aspects are to be evaluated for a particular technology in case it has to be used in a particular program. Let us consider technology for a program that we need to be deciding upon. The various areas of the technology that we need to look at would be depending on that this technology would be used in a program that could be used in various line of businesses. Well, it can be retail, it could be finance, it could be e-governance, it could be any other line of business in which we are going to be using it. Therefore, it must be ascertained that this technology that we are going to use in this particular program, whether it is very well used and whether it's proven in that particular line of business or not. If it is, we can definitely go ahead with that. In case it's not, some more work will need to be done for that. I recall in one of my programs, in one of the industrial groups of US, we were doing a program, and I'm talking about the beginning of this millennium, which is 2000. We were supposed to use Java as a technology there. Java today is become more or less a commodity because you get a lot of resources and a lot of knowledge is there on the internet for Java. But those days Java used to be state of the art, and getting information or resources on Java would be really, really difficult. However, since we had to do this, we went ahead with that. The frameworks were very less known in those days. So we chose applet methodology for Java to be executed, in which a small portion of the program will get downloaded via your browser. Netscape used to be a very famous browser in those days. So it will get downloaded onto your computer and it will execute there. It's through this small program that the computer will be broking the data with the server. Now, this was not a very proven methodology, for the simple reason that whatever you are going to execute on your system exposes your system. Therefore, we went on, we kept on thinking for some time. We spoke to the customer also. Customer also not knowing pretty much things about it. They also approved this technology to be used. However, after approximately a month's working, we realized this was not the technology to be used, primarily for the security and performance reasons. Therefore, we had to go and we had to change the technology to JSPs and servlets, which was the next level of Java, and thereby we were able to deliver the solution to client what they were expecting or what we were also supposed to deliver. So you see, technology has got a huge issue unless it's taken care of well. I recall another instance where I was heading this large government program and we were mandated to be using the portlets. This was an IBM technology and we were supposed to use the portlet server. Well, we went ahead, we used those portlets and we were able to finish our development and we were able to showcase the solution also. But later on it was realized that this was not the solution that should have been used, because it was unnecessarily causing a lot of stress on the resources and wasn't performing the way the application was indeed supposed to be performing. So this was another example of how technology, unless it is thought through well, should not be experimented with, specifically for the applications which are going to be scaling, which are going to be requiring to be performing. These technological experiments, quote unquote, I would say, should not be done. So the question is, can and should technology be planned? Absolutely. Technology has to be planned in advance, and it should be ensured that the technology that is going to be used in the program should be passing on all those parameters basis which you are going to be using it for the application for that particular line of business. Especially, there are some line of businesses which will give more value to the scalability, whereas there are some more line of businesses for which security would be paramount. Everything else probably can be looked at in a little bit of compromising nature. So I wanted to share this with you. If you think this is something that has added value and you could take advantage of this, then you are welcome to subscribe to my YouTube channel, which will have many more videos, because in case of technology, for example, we have just looked at how the selection of technology should be done, why that technology should be done, and there are different other parameters on which the technology is to be evaluated. There are so many other features which would be discussed in some of the other videos. And don't forget to hit that bell icon after subscription so that you get to see the videos first when I release them on the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.